Hello everyone, this is Pranita and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a very effective home remedy which will help you to tight saggy skin of your face. So stay with me up to the last.
Miro Online Beauty Tips. Beautify yourself.
If you want lifting on your face, you have to use face pack once in a week regularly. This face pack is 100% natural and it doesn't have any side effects. So for this face pack, you need fuler earth, which is also known as multani matti, and gram flour, which is also known as besan, and then yogurt. Now take a clean bowl. If it is of glass, then it will be more better. And then add 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of multani matti, and then we need 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and mix it well and make a smooth paste. This face pack will help you in tightening the saggy skin of your face. Before applying this face pack on your face, clean your face properly. Remove all the dirt and excess oil from the face. Now apply this face pack all over your face in upward direction. Then wait up to this marks dries up. Is dried off, just take a little bit of water in your hand and do a massage in the upward direction in circular movement. And massage your face minimum for 5 minutes and rinse your face with the lukewarm water and you will see the result. By just one use, you will see the effect. If you feel the skin is too tight, then take a little bit of aloe vera gel and apply it on your face. Do urgently massage on your face, that's it. Use this face pack once in a week for good result. Gram flour, it acts as a very good cleansing agent for the skin. It cleanses the skin naturally. And multani matti, it has solution for everything. It is also known to be an excellent skin cleansing agent. It helps clean all the oil, dirt and dead cells that have accumulated on the skin due to exposure to the sun and pollution. And yogurt moisturizes skin and reduces wrinkles and fine lines of your face. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever my video comes up. Thank you for watching my video.